Hello, today we will guide you through how to find your affiliate links on Whop. To begin, open Whop and go to the home page. This is the main starting point where you can access the platform's different tools and sections. If you are not already signed in, make sure you log into your account first so you can see the full navigation menu and your affiliate options. Once you are on the home page, look over to the left-hand navigation panel. In that menu, click on Affiliates. This section is where Whop organizes affiliate-related features, including referral tools, performance tracking, and the links you can share with potential buyers. If you do not immediately spot it, take a moment to scan the sidebar carefully, since the menu can contain several options. After opening the Affiliates section, click on Refer Buyers. This area is specifically focused on helping you share products or offers with people you want to refer. It's the part of the dashboard that connects you to the resources and links used for affiliate promotion. So this is the right place to go when your goal is to locate a shareable affiliate link. Next, click on View Assets. In Whop, assets usually include the materials and resources associated with a specific affiliate offer. That can include promotional content as well as the affiliate links themselves. Opening this page gives you access to the tools you need for sharing the offer more effectively. From there, look for the sample affiliate link shown on the page. Once you find it, copy the link. This is the link you will use when promoting the offer, and it is important to copy it exactly as provided so your referrals can be tracked properly. A good tip here is to paste the link somewhere safe, right away, such as a Notes app or document, so it is easy to access later when you are ready to share it. And that's it. By starting on the Whop homepage, going into Affiliates, selecting Refer Buyers, opening View Assets, and then copying the sample affiliate link, you can quickly find the affiliate link you need. If you plan to use it in social posts, messages, or other promotions, it can also be helpful to test the link once after copying it, just to make sure it opens correctly. Thanks for following along, and that is how to find your affiliate links on Whop.